Namaste. The National Institute of Engineering, Mysore 08, an autonomous institute affiliated to VTU Belgavi. First semester BE degree. Subject code 21 MA Mathematics 1C01 Calculus and Differential Equations. Content, course structure. So model 1, polar curves. Article number 1.1, angle between the radius vector and tangent, angle between two curves. So number of lecture hours 4. Article number 1.2, pedal equations. Number of lecture hour is 2. Article number 1.3, radius of curvature, Cartesian and polar form or pedal form. So number of lecture hours is 2. So these are the model 1. Okay. Next, model 2. Article number 2.1, Taylor series expansion, indeterminate forms, change of coordinates from Cartesian to cylindrical and spherical coordinates. So number of lecture hours 4. Article number 2.2, partial differentiation, total derivatives, differentiation of composite functions. Number of lecture hours 4. Article number 2.3, maxima and minima of functions of two variables. Application problems using Lagrange's multiplier method. Number of lecture hours 2. So these are the model 2. Next, model 3. Article number 3.1, multiple integrals. Evaluation of double and triple integrals. Evaluation of double integral over a region. So number of lecture hours 4. Article number 3.2, applications, area and volume. Number of lecture hours 1. Article number 3.3, beta and gamma functions. Definitions, properties without proof. Simple problems. Number of lecture hours 3. So these are the model 3 content. In model 4, article number 4.1, mathematical modeling of vibrations, differential equations of first order and first degree, exact and reducible to exact. So number of lecture hours 3. Article number 4.2, orthogonal trajectories, Cartesian and polar. Number of lecture hours 3. Article number 4.3, solution of non-linear differential equations, soluble for P, soluble for Y. So number of lecture hours 2. So these are the model 4 content. Okay. Model 5, article number 5.1, solution of higher order homogeneous differential equations. Number of lecture hours 2. Article number 5.2, solution of higher order non-homogeneous differential equations. Particular integral PI is particular integral for e power of ax sin of ax or cos ax x power of n and e power of ax into v. So number of lecture hours 4. Article number 5.3, applications, number of lecture hours 2. So these are the model 5 content. Next, in model 6, article number 6.1, vector differentiation, gradient, directional derivative, geometrical meaning and problems. So number of lecture hours 3. Article number 6.2, divergence, curl, Laplacian and their physical meanings, irrotational vectors and applications. Number of lecture hours 3. Article number 6.3, vector integration, line integral, Green's theorem, no proof. So without proof, problems only. So number of lecture hours 2. So total number of lecture hours is 50. Textbooks. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎರ್ವಿನ್ ಕ್ರಶಿಂಗ್, ವಿಲ್ಲೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ 10th ಎಡಿಷನ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಥಾಮಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾರ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿ ವೇರ್, ಜೋಯಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸನ್ 13th ಎಡಿಷನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, Jain and Iyengar, Naroza Publications, 5th edition. Reference books, first one, Calculus, One Variable Calculus with an Introduction to Linear Algebra, Volume 1, Tom Opstall, Ville Publications, 2nd edition. Second one, Calculus, Multivariable Calculus and Linear Algebra with Applications to Differential Equations and Probability, Volume 2, Tom Opstall, Ville Publications, 2nd edition. So, idu textbooks, idu reference books. Okay. So, these are the first semester engineering mathematics content. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.